Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Doom Eternal game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So after launching Steam, search for the game, then go below and here you can find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all these required specs to play the game, and then launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now click on now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties and click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, type -dx12 and then again try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the integrity of game files, check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, then allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and here you have to search for the game. If it's not listed, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, search for the game, and after searching for the game, after you get it, simply select it and then make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Now after that, launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to lower your in-game settings. So for that, go to game settings, then click on video, then click on advanced settings. Now search for the virtual texture pool size and make it low, and after that launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After this, launch the game and see if it is working. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on downloads and here you have to click on clear download cache. Click on clear cache beside it and it will clear the cache. You have to restart your Steam and after that you need to log into Steam and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link already I have given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after that, go below and here you have to click on the link to download. Now after the file is downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, either you have to repair or install. So if you are getting repair option, click on repair and wait for a few minutes or few seconds and then you can see it's showing setup successful. After that, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. Next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced, click on change. Now here it will select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size and here you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Now launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Doom Eternal game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling, restart your PC. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Doom Eternal game and click on play button, and then check if you can play it without any kind of errors or issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.